So I think finance function is now evolving from being the core accounting, bookkeeping function to then now becoming the business, the true strategy and business advisor to the CEOs and the organization, right? I think they're now at the helm of driving digital transformation. They sort of are the pioneers in adopting new technologies and driving the transformation throughout the enterprise. And I also see that since they have the ability to, or the access to financial and operational data throughout the organization, they're also seen as the core driver or the business counterpart to drive value creation within the organization. So I think finance in the next 5 years will become more and more of strategic business advisor, will become more of value enablers, will become more of driving digital transformation throughout the organization. I think as part of the overall digital transformation roadmap now, there are sort of these three capabilities, if I can call out, that CFOs will need. One is any platform technology choice that they make should be embedded with AI or the Gen Next capabilities, as we call that. That becomes imperative now that we have the skills within the finance organization and also the right investment in technology on AI and next gen technologies. Secondly, the ability to have regulatory compliance be driven by the tools and technology that they choose, because reporting to the regulators or being or being more conscious towards the investors outside will become a core criteria as well as the finance function involves. And then thirdly, the ability to go from disruption to transformation, right? So how can finance be ready and equipped to answer any questions that the CEOs or the business leaders come and ask of them? So how can they have platforms which can help them to answer quickly to say, okay, if my market shares goes up from 6 to 10%, what is the impact on overall top line and EBITDA and so on and so forth. So thirdly, the ability to switch from being disrupted to transform the landscape and be more proactive in being able to answer these questions. So those, I think, are the core three: AI, Gen Next, the regulatory compliance, and the ability to dynamically answer any questions that the business poses of them. I think you absolutely caught on the theme in terms of, where should those tech investments be and how does finance function need to make those decisions. I think there are some key themes that we are also seeing. Firstly, finance function is looking at automating. So the first enabler or first entry point becomes that I need to be able to automate and relieve the finance function from doing those repetitive tasks and freeing up their time to do value-added analysis. The second piece, which will go alongside technology, is how do we ensure that we have the right skill sets within the team. So alongside technology, then we also need to upskill our teams and have those right skill set within the team so that they are now ready for the tools and technologies that we are going to equip them with. And I think then thirdly, the ability for any technology platform to be self-service. That becomes sort of a key theme we are seeing for organizations who are looking at, let's say, financial planning, transformation platforms, or any regulatory compliance requirements. The key theme is that for these technologies to be sustainable in the long term, they need to be self-service so that my team, once equipped, can own and maintain them as we go on in the future as well.